Hi, my name is Dr. Mike Vizard and I've been working in education for the last 30 years internationally and in the UK. One of the biggest challenges that I've found and faced is how do you actually provide effective feedback on teaching and learning? Well, how many times have you been subjected to or asked to provide information on the quality of a teacher or the learning outcomes of a student? Well, certainly I've been asked many times, and it's been a big challenge because eventually you have to come down to the point that it is subjective. What I want to show you today is the opportunity to use Smart Education Systems project to enable you to be providing information to teachers, to students, to parents, to governors, to education authorities based on real-time objective information which can be analysed and provided at the touch of a button. Okay, let's look at what I'm suggesting. TLS has organised and developed a very effective teaching and learning slides software package. It's simple to use and highly effective. Okay, let's find the teaching and learning slides icon on the desktop. Here it is. Here we have the teaching and learning slides icon. The next thing to do is to click on the login button, and here we go into the program. Here we have all the resources that you need for your lessons. You simply select the lecture or the class that you want to deliver to and hit the start button. This is the attendance sheet, and as you can see down the left hand side we have the facility to put in your students' photographs and also the ability to tick whether they're present or whether they're absent. And this relates back to the real-time functionality of the software because it also identifies if a student's missed any of the course elements and where they may need to catch up in the future. Okay, the interface is very straightforward and friendly to use, with the result that you're getting the very best out of the teaching and learning experience. Let's just focus on the interface for a moment. Down the left hand side you can see the first of the three elements that make up the TLS interface. You can see these tools which are very similar to those that you can see on any smartboard, and these we call the annotation tools. The second set of tools we have are all the buttons that you have necessary for the teaching and learning session. There's just a few here, but you can add others as you want and customise it to your own requirements. Okay, from the BI menu we can actually then begin to move to looking at generating reports, because there are a number of different reports that are available. But first let's look at the KPIs, which are here. Then we've got reports, and then we've got a whole other bunch of reports that we can actually look at and tools that we can use. Let's just click on the reports for a second, and you can see here we've got a range from attendance down to course coverage, which is what I mentioned earlier. Obviously pedagogical skills and that kind of development are also important, and the teaching and learning effectiveness is also really important. Having used the BI reports myself, I find them really helpful, particularly in ensuring course coverage and learning outcomes. There are over 50 different kinds of reports that you can actually generate, plus you're also able to generate your own if you've done any additional work and customised it in either of the first two interfaces. Okay, let's summarise what we've seen in this video. Teaching and learning slides has three sets of learning tools: advanced annotation tools, business intelligence tools, and teaching and learning tools. Now, if you want further information and details about how you could engage with this particular product, then log on to our website at